Himalayan pink salt has gained popularity as a natural alternative to table salt, with many claiming its benefits extend beyond just seasoning food. One of the most talked about advantages is its potential role in weight loss. But does it really work? Here's a detailed review of by nature Himalayan pink salt and whether it is a safe and effective option. What is Himalayan pink salt? Himalayan pink salt is a natural rock salt mined from the Punjab region of Pakistan. Unlike regular table salt, which is highly processed and stripped of minerals, pink salt retains essential minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron. These minerals not only enhance its nutritional value but also contribute to overall health benefits. Benefits of Himalayan pink salt for weight loss. Many proponents suggest that Himalayan pink salt can aid weight loss through various mechanisms, including boosting metabolism. The minerals in pink salt are believed to support metabolic functions, which may help the body burn calories more efficiently. Balancing pH levels. It is said to help maintain an optimal pH balance in the body, which can contribute to improved digestion and nutrient absorption. Reducing water retention. Unlike processed salt, pink salt does not cause excessive water retention, potentially preventing bloating and puffiness. Detoxification. Some claim that pink salt can help detoxify the body by flushing out toxins, which may indirectly support weight management. Is Himalayan pink salt safe? By nature, Himalayan pink salt is free from preservatives, artificial colors, and harmful additives. It is naturally sourced and contains essential bio-components that make it a better alternative to traditional table salt. However, like all salts, it should be consumed in moderation. Excessive salt intake, regardless of the type, can lead to high blood pressure and other health concerns. How to use Himalayan pink salt for weight loss. As a daily salt substitute, use it in place of regular table salt for cooking and seasoning. In detox drinks, mix a small amount with warm water and lemon for a morning detox drink. Salt baths. Some suggest that soaking in Himalayan salt baths can promote detoxification and relaxation, indirectly supporting weight loss. Himalayan pink salt, particularly by nature Himalayan pink salt, offers several health benefits and can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. However, while it may support weight management, it is not a miracle solution. A healthy diet and regular exercise remain essential for effective weight loss.